Hi, in today's video we want to talk about why to use styles in LibreOffice. So let's create a new style from heading 1 named my style. So this is my project title. Let's create some space above and below paragraph. Let's see what we can change. Let's have double space, center. Let's choose another font. Let's check the available fonts and the preview in order to choose something bold but nice. So let's see. Let's continue. Let's change the color for text. Let's choose a blue and let's customize. Let's choose a darker one. Now, okay, and let's apply. So I want this and double click here. So I have a very big space between the project name. Now let's choose from text body. We want to create a new style for the paragraph. So let's rename it my paragraph. Okay, let's see. So for a paragraph, we want the first line to have some indent and a small space above paragraph and bigger down there. Justify. Let's choose a font. Let's see what we have. A nice font. Let's see what we have here. Let's try Utkal. Okay, let's apply. So let's find from text body we have my paragraph. So it's not so nice, so let's edit, let's modify. Let's choose another one. Let's choose Bookman. Look nicer. And now we want the chapters. Okay, so this is my paragraph. Now we want a style for first chapter, for the name of the chapter. So let's start again from heading. Let's rename it my chapter. Okay, and let's see, we want, no, we don't want an indent. So indent is space before the text. I don't want that. I want space above or below the paragraph. Okay, so let's change to 1 and 3 centimeters here. I want more space. I want to be left align. I want to keep with a paragraph. Let's choose the same style as before. So we have the title and text with the same font. So Bookman again. But let's change here something. The style and the font size. Let's increase. Okay. Let's choose another color. So a dark gray. And let's apply. I want a border. Let's see. This is on the left. Indigo. No, I want below. I want to be more visible, but I want to have the same color as the project title, so let's choose from recent color and let's increase. Okay, and let's apply. So my chapter, you can see, let's apply here, click and double click on the style, click on the text. Let's sort only the custom style. So now we can see all the styles we have. So now if I want to modify the paragraph, I want after a paragraph to be another paragraph, but after my chapter I want to be my paragraph. Okay, so if I press here enter and a new paragraph, you can see after each paragraph it's a new paragraph by default, but if I have a new chapter, a third chapter, and I press enter, the text will be with my paragraph. It's not the case now. Why is that? So let's delete. Maybe I had some spaces here. Let's remove and let's try again. Now it's okay. So you can see it's the same style, my paragraph. Another chapter, my chapter. If I press enter, it's the text for my paragraph by default. So he knows we want to write some paragraph after a new chapter. Now let's modify. Maybe I want to be every chapter on a new page. So very easy. Each chapter is beginning on a new page. It's not beginning on the half of the page, in the middle of the page. Or maybe I want each chapter to be on maybe I want to have something different for the chapter title. So let's have some centimeters after. Let's try an 8. Okay, so now the title is nicer. Let's write some more text to see how it's on multiple lines. This is how the title will look after we have a longer title. It's not so bad. We have the same style, so let's change in my paragraph to have to look better. It's easier to read. One more thing we want to do, we want my chapter to begin maybe on a right page. Okay, we want to be a right page. So it seems similar now. It's beginning on the left, but let's change here to book view. So you can see it's a blank page and it's beginning on the right. Blank page and the same everywhere. So every time our new chapter is beginning on a new page. It's very easy to use. You can see here how it's looking, this book we created with styles. So everything, it's very easy to do. You create a style once and use it in all your project. Thanks for watching and please subscribe for more video. Thank you.